you did my body, man, no get matter. Maybe that's why they go.
Welcome back to my kitchen. Today the sun is shining, the weather is hot. So I'm going to show you how to make delicious lemon, ginger and pineapple drink. So let me show you the ingredients. We have our lemon here, we have our pineapple, ginger and clove, and of course sugar here. You know this drink here, if you go to any Zongo house, you have this drink and it's delicious, especially when you have chest pain. This is the drink we normally drink in Zongo. So join me, let me show you how to make it soon. Guys, I'm going to put the sugar in the bowl and add water. And then mix it and put it aside. So now let's start by So now I'm going to start by cutting my ginger. So ginger, if you want to peel it, you can peel it, but I want to
stop. Mentor camp when I'm seeing any next year. Fingers crossed, yeah, best market tour. Before me number class switched off. Many day with them one set top. So me crossword until we ball past slave run. But Busa when did you come here? You know go feel went from here. Now I'm sipping your got on the rooftop. You should see the view from here.
put it in the blender. Then the lemon. The lemon too, if you want to squeeze it, you can squeeze it. But because I want a lot of lemon inside, so I'm going to peel it. Like I said, if you want to squeeze it, you can squeeze it. But this is my own version for doing mine. So. Okay. So now I'm going to cut it. If you do it this way, it's good because you don't need to use too many orange or too much orange lemon. So this one, even if you use one or two, I think that will be enough. So now we finish cutting our lemon and ginger, so now it's the pineapple. The pineapple the pineapple too, you can use the thin one too if you want. If you want to use the thin one, you can use the thin one as well. So to save yourself stress, you can use the thin one as well. It's the same, it's going to taste the same,
Fingers crossed, yeah, best my control. Before me number car switched off. Many do with them one set tough. So me cross what they until we ball past LeBron. But we saw when the Jew come here. You know go feel win from here. Now I'm sipping yogurt on the rooftop. You should see the view from here. See me, I want trouble, like me, I want give me see me, I want enjoy, so baby, give me oh, Lord of mercy, yeah. Don't jealous me, it's the bad man, don't jealous me, yeah. Nyame mpesa, bad man, don't jealous. I won't enjoy, I won't chop life. Jamina me go, I won't live life. I won't enjoy, I won't chop life. Jamina me go, I won't live life. Oh, I get it,
So now I'm going to put the crop inside the lemon and ginger. Then I add water. And start blending it.
As I did my corner, me I know like trouble. And if I pray for blessings, oh I did pray for double. Don't jealous me, it's the bad man, don't jealous me.
So now we're going to pour it inside our then leave it there. Then we'll start our pineapple.
I won't enjoy, I won't chop life. Jamina me go, I won't live life. I won't enjoy, I won't chop life. Jamina me go, I won't live life. Yeah, I get grind like this, time like this, and my name one say we shine like this. It was your times where I miss define ambition. My mommy moved I don't go find my wish. Yo, I came, I didn't see how they conquer. How can you be mad when you see man prosper? Don't get 1 man thousand and then marry lobster. Mentor camp when I'm seeing and next year they will sheep their home. Fingers crossed, yeah, best market tour. Before me number car switched off. Many so me cross what they until we ball past LeBron. But we saw when the Jew come.
So now after finishing explaining for first time, now we are going to use the small now I'm going to use this one. You see this one, the hole is little bit smaller than this one, so I'm going to use this one again.
God, oh Lord of mercy. Oh, I can't drink of it. As I did my corner,
The good thing about this drink is it's 100% natural. There's no artificial color, nothing. So this one is good for kids. Now that our kids are at home, you know, children, they always go to the fridge to look for something to drink. So if you have this one, try it and they will love it as well. It's 100% natural. There's no artificial color. So it's good for children, it's good for adults too. So
as I did my corner, me I don't like trouble. And if I pray for blessings, oh I pray for double.
So now we have our melted sugar here.
Bad man don't jealous me. Oh,
I'm going to add it to it.
Life is short, oh, I won't enjoy, I won't chop life. Jamming on me go, I won't live life. I won't enjoy, I won't chop life. Jamming on me go, I won't live life.
Our Zongo juice is ready.
And my nigga one say we shine like this. It was your times where I miss define ambition. My mommy Musa can no go find my wish. Yo, I came, I didn't see how they conquer. How can you be mad when you see man prosper? They'll get 1 man 1,000 and Emery lobster. Mentor camp when I'm seeing any next year. They will sheep their home. Fingers crossed, yeah, best sell. Market tour, before me number car switched off. Many day with them one set top. So me crossword until we ball past slave run.
Okay, here guys, here is our Zongo ginger, lemon and pineapple juice. Voila! Thank you guys for watching. Thank you.
It's caught in the crossfire.